Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do printmaking using Styrofoam. So what you're going to do is basically just draw your design into Styrofoam, a piece of Styrofoam. So you could either transfer it by laying a paper over the top of your design and then you push through the paper and it will make an impression onto the Styrofoam, and then you go through with a pen, that's what I did, to draw your lines and deepen them so the ink does not go into the lines. So we are going to give this a go. What you're gonna do is, here is a brayer. It's your roller. It's what you're gonna roll the ink out. Don't need a whole lot of ink, just a little bit. And you're gonna roll it out. I'm gonna hold it up so you can hear it too. It's gonna make a satisfying tacky noise. And you're going to evenly roll it onto your roller. This is what I'm going to be printing on. This is my printing plate. I'm going to have a dirty paper underneath your plate and just roll ink onto it. First, I'm going to just go horizontal. Doesn't matter which way you start first, but I'm going to start going back from side to side. Okay, now I think I got it nice and inked up. So what I'm going to do is carefully lift it, hold it with 2 fingers, have your piece of paper you're going to mount on. You're going to print on, sorry. Lay it down. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you use the palm of your fist, so right here. And you're going to rub it really hard, okay? Alright. I'm going to start. I'm going to put my finger right in the corner so to hold it in place. And you're going to slightly pick it up and see what it looks like. If something's not transferring, put it back down and rub again. Hey, there we go. Okay, so another thing. Don't try to replace your printing plate onto your mat. You will not get it lined up the same, and then you'll end up destroying your first print. So always hold on to these, even if you don't think it turned out good. Hold on to it. Now, if you made a print and you didn't like how it turned out in the color, and you want to change the color to, let's say, green, what you're going to want to do is take your dirty printing plate to the sink. If you have used water-soluble ink, such as Speedball, if it says water-soluble, then that means you can just take it to the sink and rinse it right out. And then you want to pat it dry really good with a paper towel so all the ink is gone from it. Mine's really messy because I have done printing several times with this one in different colors. And the ink has stuck into the pores of the Styrofoam, but that's okay because it's all dry now, so it won't actually be pressed onto a paper whenever I apply the ink and repress it. Now, you don't want to apply too much ink to your printing plate because it will go inside of those creases that you made, those indentions you made with your pencil or your pen, and it'll fill them. So whenever you go to press it, those lines that you made, those indentions, they will also print with ink because they're too filled up with your printmaking ink. So let's go ahead and make another print. Watch closely. It helps to cover it up with another piece of paper. That way, if you have ink on your finger, you're not going to rub it all over the rest of the white surface around here. It keeps your hands clean. This part is called pulling the print. That means you're just pulling the printing plate off of your surface